How to log out your WhatsApp account from another device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open WhatsApp application. Once you do, simply click on three dots at the top right corner. You will see the option of link device. Simply click on it. Now as you can see in this page, it shows me the option to link a device, which means except for my own mobile device, my WhatsApp account has not been logged in any other device. If it shows the option of devices in this page for your WhatsApp account, simply click on it and click on logout. And after that you will be able to successfully remove your WhatsApp account from another device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.